Do you hear that? No? Wonderful. Welcome to the elusive luxury of modern silence. If your mind's running with 47 tabs open, you're the intended audience. No judgment. Forget diamond watches. True luxury now is silent enough to hear yourself think, gasp. Introducing the Quietcation. It's not just a holiday, it's neurological renovation wearing a fancy robe. Cognitive overload. When everything's screaming for attention, your hippocampus starts waving a white flag. Turns out 2 hours of silence a day gives the hippocampus a much-needed holiday. Silence rebuilds your brain. Neuroscience says so, and we've got posh dressing gowns to prove it. Step into curated quiet, and even your parasympathetic nervous system slows down in delight. At Seetaluxuryescape, we engineer places so quiet you can hear your soul exhale dramatically. Picture waking in Ubud, your alarm, just a distant monk chanting, your stress, magically missing. No TV humming, no corridor gossip, only Egyptian cotton whispering as you gloriously stretch. Textures are your playlist. Your butler's footsteps sound like polite clouds on cashmere. Breathe in lemongrass, ceremonial incense, and smug satisfaction. That's 5-star silence. Without worldly noise, your other senses wake up. Mango tastes like actual hope. You lose titles. You're not a CEO, you're just exquisitely quiet. Modern life won't stop demanding your attention. Even fun feels like a Microsoft Teams invitation. That's why we specialize in the absence of demands. Yes, it's trademarked, just kidding. Swiss Alps, Palea stones, wherever the silence swaddles, we orchestrate everything so you decide, pool or massage. This is the safe haven philosophy, escaping both digital static and the evening news outrage cycle. Litmus test. Do WhatsApp pings make your shoulders levitate? Welcome to the Quietcation Club. Dreaming in PowerPoint? Planning 2027 while missing your kid's goal? It's Quietcation o'clock. No worries, overdue silence is statistical proof you need the Seeta signature glow. What happens after 3 days of Quietcation? Jaw unclenched, eyes sparkling, hands suspiciously phone-free. Behold the signature glow. You look rested enough to turn down free coffee. You're leading again because, plot twist, you remembered your own thoughts. How, you ask, sipping jasmine tea. Here's our scientific magic in 3 steps. Step 1. The noise audit. Detect which noise haunts your dreams. We'll outwit it. Step 2. The invisible hand. No resort karaoke near your suite unless you're into that. Step 3. The sanctuary guarantee. Bunkers of calm, personally vetted for premium zen. Ready to disappear into a 5-star fortress of hush? John's in Thailand packing linen. Your move. Stop managing chaos. Start managing peace. Your brain, family, and glow will send thank you cards. Contact us or peruse our offer page for restorative, blissfully uneventful escapes.